competition. So this is sort of like a normal qualifier. And on Sunday, everyone else will. So you got all the juniors, the teens, you got all the female classes. Obviously, people with disabilities and stuff like that. Everyone else will be competing on the Sunday. So format. So it's either you go full power, which a lot of people are competing in. I only have 2 of my people competing only in the bench press. So you got full power. So full power is your bench press, your squat, and your deadlift. It's either you compete in all 3, or you compete either in the deadlift or in the bench press separately.
Hi, my name is Andrea. I'm 17 and I'm competing this Sunday, 2nd of April.
I'm Aidan, 19 years old.
I'm Marie, Aidan's mum, 46.
Hi, my name's Sarah. I'm a PT here at Podium. I've been powerlifting for 18 months now, I originally started because Abdi encouraged me into it.
Oh, my name's Hekim. I'm 18 years old and I've been training just over a year.
I'm Josh, I'm 22, I've weighed in at 81.1 this morning.
You know, watching everyone warm up, especially the juniors and teens, man, and some hungry athletes about to smash some serious weight. I mean, I've just looked at the list, looked at the numbers. Yo, we got some big numbers in this category.
I need to let you know there is a fabulous cafe here. We don't often, usually there's some crap old kit burner.
Right, should we have to stop one?
Child, I heard voices. Some would sing and some would scream. You soon find you have few choices. I learned the voices died with me. Child, I'd sit for hours staring into open flame. Something in it had a power. Could barely tear my eyes away.
So, just finished the squats now. All 6 athletes. I just gained a new athlete today, so no, not really my athlete, but it's Josh. Josh did really well as well. He added to everything. Started off well. I think the only person I think that would be really disappointed with their squats is Sarah. She couldn't hit the depth. But I mean, one of them, her last lift was very questionable. I thought she should have got 3 white lights.
Me too.
But she didn't. So that's the only one I'm sort of disappointed about. But yo, man, it's like she needs to recover now. Hekim as well, his second lift, I think he just rushed it, man. But this is you know, as you gain experience, you know, you get better with these things, you know, taking your time, etc. So it was Anne-Marie, nice and smooth. I mean, Anne-Marie, the game plan is sort of saving her for the deadlifts, making sure she's sort of, her back's okay and everything. Looking forward to seeing Aidan lifting, and hopefully Andrea can break a record for me today as well.
Still got 10 minutes.
I suppose then you can keep adjusting.
Go on, Aidan! Go on, mate!
On the platform. Watch the right.
Easy!
Easy left for 17-year-old Andrea. Very strong fencing. Oh no, lift and with an elbow in the head there. Why did the elbow? Two more.
Well done!
Overall, I think it went good for the first time doing it. Didn't get my third one, but it was a bit risky anyway. But like I said, overall, it went really good.
Nice one, man. You did amazing. you feel like your coaching paid dividends today?
Oh, 100%, man, 100%. But more importantly, I feel like everyone enjoyed everything, and you know, it's like a journey for everyone to discover themselves. I think that's the main thing. I feel like everyone learned something about themselves today. So today was amazing. I loved every second of it, man. Every second.
How did you feel about your performances today?
I'm really happy with it. Like, my lifts were really, really smooth. I'm really proud of myself.
So squat didn't go how I wanted it to, but you know what, bench was a fucking success, and I got a PB on deadlift. Didn't count, but you know what, it's my first PB at comp, so
Who gives a shit, right?
today's a good fucking day.
Definitely.
I feel like happy with my performance because I've done more than the targets I achieved, like the targets I placed for myself. So yeah, I'm just happy as a girl. And that's it.
Yeah, it went really well. I surprised myself. Everything went as planned.
Did you do better than expected?
Yeah, because I kind of came in a little bit tired, but I did really well. I probably could have done a little bit more.
I heard the judges basically said you've got a lot more in you. Do you reckon you'll come back to compete again?
Yeah, definitely.
The one and only Scott the owner of PowerXFitness. 82.5 kilo master speed, first place belongs to Anne-Marie Bryan. The 17 years of age, 75-year-old Andrea. Hekim
Go on, Hekim!
second place for and last but not least, in the 90 kilo bench only, Mr. Aidan Bryan.
Yeah! Go on, Aidan! Go on, Josh! Fam, look up, show me your medal.
Never been big on public speaking or speaking in front of a camera, you know. So please, guys, bear with. You know, I'm getting used to all this YouTube video business. This is the first. I think it's the longest I've ever been on video, you know. But yeah, bear with. You know, like, comment, subscribe. You know, and follow me. You know, I feel like I need a few more followers. You know, if you want to follow me, this is what I look like from behind.
Yeah, you know.
You don't get more.
That was alright. Okay, we'll put it in, but okay, alright. Okay.